5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 4 right. Into 4 right past the wall. And 5 left 40. 5 left 40, short 3 left, don't cut. Into long 5 right. Into late 5 left and 4 right. And 4 left. 80. 6 left. 80. 6 right, 150 down the middle over bumps. Very long 5 right narrow. Very long 5 right narrow. 200 over bumps. Small flat crest 170. To long fast 4 left. Long fast 4 left, look for it. 40. Long fast 4 left. 40. Very long 4 left and turn tight hairpin right handbrake. Turn tight hairpin right handbrake. And 5 left 80. Flat 5 right 40. 5 left and 4 right. 100. 3 left on cut. 3 left on cut. 40. Fast 3 right opens to very long 5 right. 130. Flat 4 left. 450. Chicane, right entry, 4 bales. Right entry, 4 bales. And 4 left out of it. Four left, 80. Flat 5 right. 150. 150 to tight 4 right. 40. 5 left over crest. Tightens to tight, 4 left, don't cut. 60. 6 left and 5 right. 80. Stay out for turn tight hairpin right uphill. Turn tight hairpin right uphill. 3 left. 3 left. Into long 4 right. Middle over crest, 5 left. Middle over crest into 5 left. Into long 4 right and square left on cut. Square left on cut. And 5 left, 40. To fast 3 right. Fast 3 right, opens to 5 right. 80. 3 left into 3 right, tightens to 2 right. 3 right, tightens to 2 right. 60. 5 right. Into 6 left. And caution, long crest, square left bail outside at the chevron. Square left bail outside at the chevron. 230. Flat 5 right. 80. 80 to tight 4 right. Tight 4 right into 4 left. Caution, 3 left. Into long 4 right slippy. Long 4 right slippy. 6 left 100. Flat 5 right in 170. Flat 6 right 300. Slowing 6 left only 80 slippy. Turn square right, don't cut at the sign. 6 left only 80, turn square right, don't cut at the sign. And 6 left. And slowing 6 left 40, turn square left around the bales. Turn square left around the bales. 130. Flat 4 right. 200. Middle over long flat crest. 400 down the middle. Jump at the red fence. 250. Chicane, right entry, 4 bales. Right entry, 4 bales. 100. Long crest. Into 5 right. And flat 6 left. And flat crest, 60. Flat 5 left. And flat 6 right. 40. Flat 5 right, 60. 4 right over bumps. 4 right over bumps. Into right hand crest, 40 down. Caution, come back, tight 4 left on cut. And 5 left, danger, 5 left over finish. 4 right and 3 right.